Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English. If you are new here, I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. This is the podcast where you learn simple English, have fun, and feel relaxed.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. It really helps us.
Yes, hit that like button, subscribe, and share so you never miss our new episodes. All right, today's topic is daily tasks.
Daily tasks are the small things we do every day. They are not special, but they are important. Today, we talk about them in very simple English.
And we also show you how to talk about your own day in English, step by step. So let's start with the morning.
I love mornings. Actually, no, I don't. I am not a morning person at all.
Same. Morning is hard. But every day I have to do my daily tasks. So my day starts like this. I wake up.
That's a big task already.
Yeah, so first sentence, I wake up at 7 a.m.
My first daily task. I hit the snooze button every time.
That is also a daily task. So listen, I wake up at 7 a.m. I get up at 7:15. I sit on my bed and I check my phone.
I know you check social media.
I do. I check messages, I check the weather, sometimes I just stare at the screen and do nothing. Then I go to the bathroom.
Okay, this is important vocabulary. Morning bathroom tasks. For example, I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
Right, so my routine is I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, and 3 times a week I shave.
My daily tasks are a little different. I wake up at 6:30. I don't like it, but I do it. I turn off my alarm. I sit up. I drink water. I need water in the morning or my brain does not work.
That is true for many people.
Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I put on moisturizer. Then I do my hair.
That is a long daily task.
Yes, but I keep it simple. Ponytail and go. Then I make my bed. This is my favorite morning task.
Your favorite? Really?
Yes. When I make my bed, I feel like my life is together. My life is not together, but at least my bed is.
That is good logic. So another good sentence, I make my bed. You can say, every morning I make my bed.
Now, after the bathroom and the bed, it's time for breakfast. Or no breakfast for some people.
For me, it is small breakfast. So I go to the kitchen, I make coffee, I drink coffee, I eat toast.
That is it.
Yes, sometimes I am wild and I add jam.
Wow, calm down. You are too crazy. My breakfast daily tasks are different. I go to the kitchen. I make tea. I eat oatmeal with fruit. Sometimes I cook eggs.
Here are useful daily task verbs. Cook breakfast, make coffee, eat breakfast, wash the dishes.
Oh yes, wash the dishes. This is my least favorite task in the morning.
My problem is not the dishes. My problem is the time. I always think I have time, and then suddenly I have 3 minutes to do everything.
So another daily task? Get dressed. I choose my clothes and I get dressed. I put on a t-shirt, jeans, and sneakers. Very simple.
I usually put on a t-shirt and sweatpants. Then I remember I have a video call, and I change my top. Business on top, pajamas on the bottom.
Too much information, Leo.
Hey, it's efficient. So now we have many morning tasks. Wake up, get up, go to the bathroom, brush your teeth, wash your face, take a shower, get dressed, make your bed, make coffee, eat breakfast, wash the dishes.
These verbs are super common. If you can talk about these daily tasks, you can describe your morning in English very well.
Now let's move to the next part of the day, going to work or going to school.
My daily tasks for work start when I leave the house. I lock the door, I walk to the bus stop, and I wait for the bus.
My daily task is a little different because I work from home most days, so I walk from my bedroom to my desk. Big commute.
So hard.
I know, it takes 10 seconds, sometimes 12 if I walk slowly.
For people who go out, good verbs are leave the house, catch the bus, take the train, drive to work, walk to school.
For example, I leave the house at 8 a.m. I walk to the station. I take the train to work.
Or, I drive to work. I drive to school. I ride my bike to work.
When you arrive at work or school, there are new daily tasks.
At work, I turn on my computer, I check my emails, I write messages, I join meetings, I talk to my team.
For students, it's similar. You go to class, you listen to the teacher, you take notes, you do exercises, you ask questions.
When I worked at an office, my classic daily tasks were I arrive at the office, I say good morning to my coworkers, I make a coffee, I sit at my desk, I open my laptop, I check my emails, I answer emails, I write reports, I go to meetings.
Then at 10 a.m., you think about lunch.
Every day. Thinking about lunch is a daily task for me.
So, simple work or school verbs: work, study, read, write, listen, talk, answer, call, send, receive, check.
For example, I check my email. I answer messages. I write reports. I make phone calls. I have a meeting.
Or for school, I go to class. I listen to the teacher. I take notes. I do homework. I study for a test.
Let's talk about lunchtime. This is an important daily task.
Yes, my favorite. Around 12 or 1, I usually take a break. I stop working. I make lunch or I order food.
I normally make a simple lunch. I cook pasta or I make a sandwich. Then I eat and I watch videos on my phone.
Same. Simple verbs: cook lunch, make a sandwich, eat lunch, take a break, relax.
After lunch, I sometimes go for a short walk, just 10 minutes, so I can say, I go for a walk. It helps my brain.
I also try to walk after lunch. Sometimes I just walk to the fridge and back.
That doesn't count.
It does in my heart. Anyway, after lunch, we go back to our daily tasks. I continue working. I write, I edit, I have calls, I answer messages.
My afternoon tasks are similar. I check my schedule. I finish my projects. I talk to my clients. I send emails. I organize my notes for the next day.
So we can say, in the afternoon, I have meetings. I finish my work. I send emails. I plan my next day.
After work or school, the daily tasks change again. This is the after work or after school routine.
Yes, this is where we do house chores. Fun times.
Very fun. So, after work, I go home. I unlock the door. I take off my shoes. I put down my bag. Then, I usually do some housework.
My daily house tasks include do the dishes, clean the kitchen, take out the trash, vacuum the floor, do the laundry.
Let's explain some of these. Do the dishes means wash the plates, cups, and cutlery. Take out the trash means you take the garbage bag and put it outside.
Do the laundry means wash your clothes. You put your clothes in the washing machine, add detergent, and start the machine.
And vacuum the floor means clean the floor with a vacuum cleaner.
For example, every day I do the dishes. 2 times a week I do the laundry. Once a week I clean the bathroom.
I try to clean a little every day, because if I don't, my apartment becomes a disaster.
My strategy is different. I ignore everything and then on Sunday I clean like a superhero.
This is not a good plan.
It is not, but it is my reality. So my daily tasks after work are often wash the dishes, wipe the table, take out the trash, and sometimes cook dinner.
In the evening, my tasks are cook dinner, eat dinner, clean the kitchen, water the plants, and sometimes go to the supermarket.
Oh yes, go to the supermarket is a classic daily or weekly task. You can say, I go to the supermarket, I buy food, I pay at the checkout, I carry the bags home.
When I arrive home with the bags, I put away the groceries. This means I put the food in the fridge, freezer, or cupboard.
So we can say, I put away the groceries, I organize the fridge, I fill the pantry.
After all these tasks, we also need time to relax and do personal things.
Yes, we are not robots, we are just tired humans.
In the evening, I have my relaxing daily tasks. For example, I change into comfortable clothes. I text my friends. I watch a series. I read a book. I scroll on my phone.
I also have evening tasks. I play video games, I watch videos, I listen to music, I call my family.
So there are many fun verbs too. Watch TV, watch a movie, play games, listen to music, chat with friends, call your family.
And also, go for a walk, ride a bike, go to the gym, do yoga, work out.
My ideal evening daily tasks would be I exercise, I cook a healthy dinner, I read a book, and I go to bed early.
And your real evening daily tasks?
I order takeout, I watch too many episodes, and I go to bed late.
Relatable. Now let's talk about the last part of the day, the night routine.
Yes, before sleep, we also have tasks. For example, I take a shower, I wash my face, I brush my teeth again.
So you can say, at night, I take a shower, I brush my teeth, I change into pajamas.
I also prepare my bag for the next day. I check my schedule, I put my keys and my wallet in my bag, I plug in my phone to charge.
Good expressions. Charge my phone, set my alarm, turn off the lights, go to bed, fall asleep.
My final daily tasks are I set my alarm, I put my phone on the nightstand, I turn off the light, and I try to sleep.
I also set my alarm, but then I scroll on my phone for 30 minutes. That is a very bad daily task.
Yes, but many people do it. You can say, I scroll on social media, I check my messages, I watch videos in bed.
And then finally, I fall asleep. That's the last task of the day.
So we went through the whole day. Morning, work or school, afternoon, evening, and night.
Now let's put everything together into one example day with simple sentences.
I can do a day in my life. Listen to the verbs and the structure. This is all beginner-friendly.
Go for it.
In the morning, I wake up at 6:30. I turn off my alarm and I get up. I drink a glass of water. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I do my hair and put on some cream. After that, I make my bed. I go to the kitchen and make tea. I cook a small breakfast and eat it. Then I wash the dishes. I get dressed and I leave the house. I walk to the bus stop and I take the bus to work.
Nice. I will do one too, a little different.
Please do.
I'll wake up at 7. I get up at 7:15. I check my phone and read my messages. Then I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth, and I take a quick shower. I put on clean clothes. I go to the kitchen, make coffee, and eat some toast. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. I start work. I check my emails and answer messages. I edit my projects and join online meetings. At 1, I take a break. I make lunch and eat it. After lunch, I wash the dishes and go back to work. In the evening, I finish work, call a friend, and play some games. Then, I cook dinner, eat it, and clean the kitchen. At night, I take a shower, brush my teeth, set my alarm, and go to bed.
These examples show how you can describe your day with simple daily task verbs.
You can change the time, the activities, and make your own version. Use verbs like wake up, get up, brush, wash, cook, eat, clean, work, study, watch, listen, go, come, leave, arrive.
Another useful thing is to add frequency words. Always, usually, often, sometimes, never, every day.
For example, I usually wake up at 7. I often drink coffee. I sometimes go to the gym. I never cook breakfast. I always brush my teeth.
You could also use days. On weekdays, I wake up early. On weekends, I sleep in. Every Monday, I do the laundry. Every evening, I watch a show.
Talking about daily tasks is a great way to practice English. It is personal, simple, and you can use it in real life.
You can talk about your routine with a friend, a teacher, or even write it in a notebook or on your phone.
And every time you learn a new verb, you can ask, is this part of my daily life? If yes, add it to your daily tasks list.
For example, maybe you meditate, or you walk your dog, or you cook for your family. You can say, I meditate every morning. I walk my dog after work. I cook dinner for my family every night.
Or maybe you study English at night. You can say, I study English for 20 minutes every evening.
That is a very good daily task.
Yes, keep that one. Put it on your list.
Before we finish, let's quickly recap some key daily task verbs from today. Morning. Wake up, get up, brush your teeth, wash your face, take a shower, get dressed, make your bed, make coffee, eat breakfast.
Daytime. Go to work, go to school, take the bus, drive to work, study, work, check emails, write, read, listen, talk, have a meeting, take a break, eat lunch.
Evening. Go home, cook dinner, eat dinner, wash the dishes, do the laundry, take out the trash, clean the kitchen, go to the supermarket, buy food, put away the groceries.
Night. Take a shower, brush your teeth, change into pajamas, set your alarm, charge your phone, turn off the lights, go to bed, fall asleep.
If you can use these verbs, you can describe most days very well in English.
Tell us in the comments, what is one daily task you like and one daily task you really don't like?
For me, I like making my bed, and I don't like taking out the trash.
I like cooking dinner, and I don't like doing the laundry.
So now it's your turn. Share your daily tasks in the comments. It's good practice, and we read your answers.
If this episode helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with a friend who also wants to learn English.
New episodes are coming, so turn on notifications and stay with us on your English journey.
Thanks for listening to Pop Off English.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.